Africa. A continent brimming with vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and a rich tapestry of flavors. For too long, the culinary traditions of Africa have been overshadowed, their stories untold. But a new narrative is being written, one that celebrates the bold and diverse flavors of this magnificent continent. A culinary revolution is underway, led by a new generation of talented African chefs. These culinary ambassadors are redefining African cuisine for the modern palate. They are drawing upon their rich culinary heritage, passed down through generations. At the same time, they are not afraid to experiment, incorporating global influences and modern techniques. This is not just about food, it's about storytelling. Each dish tells a story of heritage, of innovation, of the passion and creativity that defines this new era of African cuisine. From the bustling streets of Marrakesh to the vibrant markets of Nairobi, a culinary awakening is taking place, inviting the world to experience the magic of modern African flavors. At the heart of this culinary evolution lies a deep respect for tradition. African chefs are drawing inspiration from the time-honored recipes and cooking techniques that have been passed down for generations. These are the flavors of their childhood, the essence of their culinary heritage. But tradition is not static, it evolves. These chefs are not bound by the past, they are inspired by it. They are reimagining classic African dishes with a contemporary flair, using modern techniques and presentation to elevate familiar flavors. This fusion of heritage and global inspiration is what makes modern African cuisine so exciting. Chefs are incorporating influences from around the world, adding their own unique interpretations to create dishes that are both familiar and surprising. The result is a culinary tapestry that is as diverse and vibrant as the continent itself. Imagine biting into a succulent tagine, slow-cooked with aromatic spices and tender lamb. The flavor's a testament to Morocco's rich culinary history. Or savoring a plate of ndole, a Cameroonian delicacy where bitter leaf greens are simmered with peanuts and spices, creating a symphony of flavor that is both comforting and exotic. These are just a glimpse into the diverse world of modern African cuisine. From the smoky flavors of grilled meats to the refreshing tang of fermented grains, every bite is an adventure for the senses. Chefs are experimenting with indigenous ingredients like fonio grain, baobab fruit, and moringa leaves, introducing the world to the unique and delicious flavors of Africa. The use of spices is central to African cooking, adding depth and complexity to every dish. From the warm, earthy notes of cumin and coriander to the vibrant heat of Scotch bonnet peppers, spices are used with a deft hand, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. Section 4. Beyond the Horizon. The future of African flavors on the global stage. The world is finally taking notice of the culinary revolution happening in Africa. Modern African cuisine is appearing on the menus of Michelin-starred restaurants around the globe. Food festivals dedicated to showcasing African flavors are drawing crowds in major cities. African chefs are being recognized for their talent and innovation, their voices adding to the global culinary conversation. This is just the beginning. As more people discover the diversity and deliciousness of modern African cuisine, its influence will continue to grow. The future is bright for African flavors, and the world is eagerly awaiting the next chapter in this exciting culinary journey. Section 5. An invitation to discover the rich tapestry of modern African cuisine. So, I invite you to embark on your own culinary adventure. Open your mind and your palate to the bold and exciting world of modern African cuisine. Explore the vibrant markets, seek out the talented chefs, and savor the flavors of this incredible continent. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or simply curious to try something new, I guarantee that modern African cuisine will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more.